At Carepatron, we are constantly looking at ways to improve. If you have any feedback on how we can improve our videos and resources, please leave us a comment in the comments section below. Case notes are detailed records of interactions between healthcare practitioners and their clients. They serve as essential documentation of client assessments, interventions, and progress throughout treatment. These records provide a clear, concise, and accurate account of each client encounter, ensuring continuity of care and effective communication among professionals. Case notes for social workers have unique characteristics reflecting the profession's holistic approach to client care. Social work case notes are specialized records that document interactions, assessments, and interventions in the social work field. They reflect the profession's holistic approach to client care and typically include biopsychosocial assessments, comprehensive evaluations of biological, psychological, and social factors influencing the client's well-being and functioning, environmental factors, information about the client's living situation, community resources, and social support systems, strengths-based observations, identification of the client's strengths, resilience factors, and coping mechanisms, systems interactions, documentation of the client's interactions with various systems, such as family, education, healthcare, or legal institutions. Cultural considerations, notes on cultural factors that may impact the client's situation or treatment. Advocacy efforts, records of any advocacy work done on behalf of the client. Referrals and collaborations, information about referrals to other services or collaborations with professionals. These case notes play a crucial role in maintaining continuity of care, particularly in settings where multiple social workers may be involved in a client's case over time. Our case notes template is designed to streamline case note recording while ensuring comprehensive and professional documentation. Step 1. Gather information immediately after a client interaction. Collect all relevant background details. Ensure that your name, as the social worker involved, is recorded for reference. Step 2. Complete the template. Fill out each section of the case notes template with clear, concise, and objective information. Use professional language and focus on facts rather than opinions. Step 3. Review and refine. Once the template is completed, carefully review the entire note. Verify that all included details are accurate, relevant, and essential to the client's care. Ensure clarity and consistency. Step 4. Secure and store. Save electronic notes in the designated secure system and file physical copies in the appropriate location. Ensure that all storage methods comply with confidentiality regulations and organizational policies. By following these steps, social workers can ensure that case notes are thorough, professional, and supportive of effective client care. You can learn more about topics like case notes in our guides library on our Carepatron website. Visit our website and sign up for free. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more of our content.